Ready to ditch the chaos and unlock ultimate organization? Let's dive into Notion. First, let's get you oriented. This is your Notion workspace. On the left, you'll find your sidebar. Think of this as your navigation hub where you can easily access all your pages. To create a new page, click the plus icon either at the bottom of the sidebar or within an existing page. Name your page whatever you'd like. Let's call this one My First Page. Notion gives you lots of options. You can start with a blank page or choose from a variety of templates. For now, let's select empty page so we can build from scratch. Now you have a blank canvas. Notice the prompt to type. For commands, this is where Notion's magic happens. Pressing the / brings up a menu of blocks. Blocks are the building blocks of Notion. You can create text, headings, to-do lists, images, even databases. Let's start with a heading. Type Heading 1 and create a title for your page. Next, let's add a to-do list. Type to-do and start listing your tasks. You can check them off as you complete them. Now, let's add a simple database. Type table and select inline. Databases are powerful for organizing information. You can customize columns with different properties like text, dates, or tags. One of the best things about Notion is how flexible it is. You can drag and drop blocks to rearrange your page however you like. Just hover over a block until you see the 6 dots, then click and drag. Finally, don't forget to customize your page. You can add a cover image, change the font, and play around with colors to make it your own. That's it. You've created your first Notion page. Explore different blocks and templates, and start building your perfect workspace. Happy organizing!